Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create images using free AI tools, okay? So, first thing first, did you know you can create stunning AI images for free using Google Gemini? I know a lot of you don't know about Google Gemini or Gemini. In this video, I will show you how to create step by step or how to turn your simple text into amazing visuals for your YouTube thumbnails, flyers, social media posts, and more. Okay, so let's get started. So, the first thing you need to do is head on to Google Chrome. Like, if you have Gemini app, you just click on the Gemini app. Me, I have the Gemini app. This is my Gemini app, but I won't be using it. No, I won't be using it. I'm going to head onto my Google Chrome for the purpose of this video. So if you don't have enough space in your phone, don't bother downloading the app. Just go on ahead, just go to your Google Chrome and search for Gemini, Google Gemini, okay? Let's allow the Chrome to load. Search for, here it is, Google Gemini. I don't use this often. I use mostly the app because, like I said, I have the app, but I'm just going to use the Chrome because of the tutorial. So let's click on Google Gemini. So you open your Google Gemini Chrome or Google app and go to Google Gemini. Okay, sign in with your Google account if you haven't signed in already. Look now, it knows my name. It knows everything about me. Okay, so I'm going to click on create image. Make sure you create image. All right, so for the app, you're going to see tap new chat. That is where you create your image. But for this Chrome, use here create image, and then you start describing your image. So let us say, okay, good good images. For you to have good images, you need better prompt, very good better prompt. For you to have good images, you need better prompts. Okay, so prompts are just simple instructions you give the AI. All right, prompts are just simple instruction you give the AI. Example, let's say create I don't want this video to be long, a cinematic image of a lion standing on a mountain at sunrise. Then you add ultra realistic 4K. Okay, 4K. After typing in the prompt, the next thing you're going to do is to click on the send button, and Google Gemini will start generating your image. So I'm just showing you all how to generate free images, okay, using your Google Gemini or Gemini. I don't know. I don't know. So it is free, okay? It's free to an extent, and when you exhaust your limit, you know how we do it. You change your email until you're done generating your image. So this is the image. Okay, still generating. This is the image. You can see it. Google Gemini has generated your image. So for those of you that cannot use ChatGPT, because ChatGPT, if you generate 3 or more images, it will tell you that you've exhausted your limit for the day. You should wait for hours before they renew it for you. That's fine. You can use Gemini for your image generation. And secondly, you can also decide to keep switching your images as ChatGPT if you like the images, if you like the visuals ChatGPT generates. You can just keep Okay, you can just like keep changing your image whenever you've passed your limit for the day. All right, so Gemini has generated the image. Now if you don't like the first result, you can go on ahead to refine it. Okay, for an example, let's say add realistic lighting, add 4K, or let me use, okay, let me use realistic. Okay, no, let me use cinematic. Okay, let me use cinematic so that you understand what I mean by you can refine it. Add cinematic. For those of you that are Netflix, that love all those Netflix and all, this that those cinematic moves you get from Netflix is what we're asking the AI to add for us. So add your cinematic style, and then you choose your aspect ratio 9 by 16. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is for TikTok Reels, Instagram and Facebook Reels, and YouTube Short. But if you're making for long form YouTube videos, choose landscape, which is 16 by 9. Okay, so I'll be like to the above image. Then I'll click send. Now the image has been generated. So this is it, Mountain King. This is the cinematic lighting, cinematic style. Okay, so this was the first one. See the first one. The first one, okay. See the first one, alright. Now see the second one. See the second one, cinematic. This was the first one. This now is the second one, cinematic lightning, cinematic style. So you can see, you can decide to refine your image if you want. Okay, now step 4 is just all about creating step 1 to step 3. Sorry, I forgot to mention the steps. From step 1 to step 3, just like keep recreating and keep recreating. Okay, step 5 is you can also edit the image. Let's say you want let's say for instance, oh no, going back again. I didn't save the image. Create image. Let's say for an instance, a beautiful African woman praying, realistic style, soft glowing light, ultra detailed, 16 by 9. This one I'm choosing 16 by 9 for YouTube, and then you click on send. AI will start generating the image. Now this is the image. Okay, this is ultra realistic style, like it looks more Nigerian. All right, this is how to create realistic style image. Okay, so for the pro tips, step 6 is for pro tips. You can use Google Gemini for Bible story image, AI movie posters, YouTube thumbnails, social media flyers, motivational quotes for background. Okay, so that is how you can create images using other free AI tools. You can also decide to use Leonardo AI. Just search on your Google Chrome Leonardo AI. and you will get access to it. All you need to do is just sign in with your Google account. And you can also decide to use free pics, Bing AI. I've made a tutorial on how to use Bing AI to generate, on how I use Bing AI to generate images. You can decide to use Bing AI. You can also decide to use Wix AI. Google Wix AI creates consistent images for you for if you want to go into African folktale stories. I'm going to make a tutorial on that very soon. So watch out for that tutorial. Google Wix AI gives you consistent images for your African folktale tutorials. Okay, friend. So now that is the end of today's class. Now that is how you generate or create amazing AI images. Okay, just using your Google Gemini. If this tutorial had helped you, okay, like, subscribe, and let me know what AI tutorial you would like me to do for you. Okay, so join the journey, right? We are just getting started. Every week you'll get simple practical. Like, should I say every day? No, let me say every week you get simple practical tutorials, okay, that will help you create better content, grow faster, and stay ahead with AI. Don't miss out. Again, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you always be one step ahead. All right, bye.